My name is Marilena Barbera and I am proprietor and winemaker for Cantine Barbera, which is my family-owned winery. Our winery was founded 10 years ago, but our work as grape growers and producers dates back early 20s. My great-grandfather actually bought the property in a beautiful area called Belicello, which is southwestern coast of Sicily, just facing Africa, 1 mile from the ocean. So having this experience in grape growing, in producing grapes for quality wines, we decided to experiment with our own grapes, and these experiments were quite successful. In this special place, we grow indigenous and international varietals that are the real expression of the Sicilian land and Sicilian soil. The vineyards are very close to the sea. It's less than 1 mile from the ocean. And there is a beautiful interaction between the grapes and the ocean, because the grapes can absorb the salt from the wind that blows from the ocean. It's like when you add some salt to your food. It's not that the food changes, because the flavor of the food is always the same, but your perception of the flavor of the food is different. We are not only grape growers, we are farmers, and we produce also artichokes, olive oil and other vegetables that we will sell to the market. Mixing together the culture, the tradition, the food and the wine makes this place a very special place. When we started our project for experimenting with the wines, it was my father's idea. We started together and brought this project to birth. My father passed away 5 years ago, and now it's myself and my mother who are taking care of his project, of his dream, and we try to make it real. My personal involvement with the winery is not just making wine and making good wine. It is keeping on with a dream that was my father's dream, and this is something I feel very strongly.